Hello everyone, today I am back with another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the linked list data structure in C. So linked list is a linear data structure composed of a sequence of nodes where each node contains data and a pointer to the next node in the sequence. Unlike array, elements in the linked list are not stored in the contiguous memory location. As you can see in the below diagram, I have created one linked list. The first node is called head, and the first part of the linked list contain the data, and the next part contain the pointer which point to the next node. As you can see over here, A is a head node and it points to the node B. A contains the address of the next node, which is B, and B points to the third node, which is C, and C point to the fourth node, which is D, and the last part of the nodes contain null, which mark the end of the list. So, what are the key components of linked list? The first part is node, the fundamental building block of a linked list. Each node typically consists of data, the actual value or information stored in the node, pointer or next pointer, a reference to the memory address of the next node in the sequence. The last node pointer usually point to null, signifying the end of the list. Head a pointer that points to the first node of the linked list. It serves as an entry point to traverse the list. As you can see in the diagram, the first node is called the head, and its data part contains 15, and its address is 3200, and it points to the next node, which is 3, and it contains the data address of the next node, which is 3600. As you can see, the second node points to the third node, and its data part contains 3, and it contains the address of the third node, which is 4000. Similarly, the third node points to the fourth node, and its data part contains the 17, and it contains the address of the fourth node, which is 4400, and the last node contains the null, which represent the end of the linked list. Okay, so let's understand it by giving one example. So I am going to create one linked list and going to traverse it. So I am going to create three nodes. The first node contains 20, and it points to the third node, which contains 30, and it points to the third node. The first node point to the second node, and the second node points to the third node, which is 40, and the last node is set to null. Okay, which represent the end of the linked list. Okay, so this is the first node, which is A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay, let's implement it and traverse the list. So I am using the online compiler over here. So first I need to include one header file, which is stdlib.h. Now I need to create one structure of type node, struct node, and it will contain data and the next pointer, which points to the next node. Struct node next pointer, Now I'm going to create some node. First, I will create the head node. Let's declare the head node over here inside the main. And let's initialize it. Head is initialized to struct node star malloc into size of struct node. So I have created the head node. Similarly, I want to create the second node, struct node second, and let's allocate the memory using heap. Similarly, I will create the last node, which is third node, and initialize it. Let's allocate the memory using malloc. Now let's put the data inside the head, and let's see the diagram first. I will put 20, then 30, then 40. Okay, let's put the 20 data part, 20, and the head will points to the second. First, put the data, or head will move points to the second, and I will put the data of second to 30, then 40, and it will point to third, second, next will point to third, and in third data I will put 40, and the last part of is points to null. The next pointer of third points to null, which represent the end of the linked list, as you can see. Okay, now let's run it. So let's remove the error first. I need to put the head second to the next of the head. Okay, now it's fine. Now let's run it. One more error is here. I need to put semicolon over here. Now it's fine. Now, as you can see, I have successfully created the linked list. Now I need to traverse the list and needs to move to the first item of the linked list. And I need to move from first to the last node of the linked list one by one. I need to traverse the linked list. So for that, I need to create one function over here, which is traverse list. And here I will pass the head. Now let's create a function over here, void, and let's copy this function, traverse list, and it will take head struct node head. Now what I will do, I will create one pointer and move it toward the head. So I will create one pointer and put it towards the head. Let's understand it by example. I will create one pointer variable and I will put it over here and it will traverse the list till I reach the end of the linked list. Okay. I will put the pointer towards the head. Okay. Let's create one pointer variable. Start node star ptr and I will pass the head over it inside it. ptr is to head and I will pass the one loop over here while ptr is not equal to null. I need to traverse the list. ptr is equal to ptr next and let's print the data of the list. Printf percentage %d and ptr data. Okay. Now let's run it. As you can see, I have successfully traversed the list 20, 30, 40. Okay, this is the code for the linked list traversal. Hope you understand. If I want to print one node at a time, data of one node at a time, I just need to put over here a slash n and let's run it again. As you can see, 20, 30, 40.